Well, the pictures we are seeing from Tropical Storm Harvey are frightening and inspiring. It's a perfect storm for scammers, though, posing as fundraisers. In this week's Fraud Watch, Dennis Carlson tells us how to be on the lookout for Harvey scams and the best ways to make a safe donation.
Don't give up on us. Seek the higher ground. We will get to you.
Watch out, that's a little slick now.
Unfortunately, the scammers will come in after a natural disaster hits, so it's important to have your guard up. Watch out for those deals that look to be too good to be true.
There are plenty of ways to help folks hit hardest by Harvey. You can find a directory of reputable charities online from the Federal Trade Commission or the Better Business Bureau.
It's important to do your homework to make sure you know where your money is going to. It's a good idea to do your research. Look online, check out the charity. You can call the Office of Consumer Protection, see if we've taken any calls or complaints against the company.
You can give to well-known charities like the American Red Cross, Samaritan's Purse, or PetSmart Charities. They have boots on the ground right now, so you know your donation will make a difference.
We suggest you contact the local Red Cross here in town. They can take all of your information, the amount of donation you want to provide, and make sure that winds up in the right place.
You can also give locally to the Houston Food Bank or the Houston Humane Society. Don't respond to direct appeal messages that come to you by text, email, or by phone. Scammers use these tactics to steal your personal information and your money.
If you're feeling pressured, hang up the phone or get a number from the person, hang up the phone, call back, and make sure you have all the information so you can make a wise decision.
Scammers also post fake Facebook and fake GoFundMe sites posing as Harvey victims, asking you to give them money. Don't click on those posts. Bottom line, there are plenty of ways to help folks recover from Tropical Storm Harvey. But first, do your homework. Be wise with your giving, and when you do, feel good about doing your part to help.
It hurts to see this. It hurts.
That's your Fraud Watch. Reporting from Helena, Dennis Carlson, MTN News.
We posted several Harvey giving helpful links on our website.